Good morning to intermediate students. Concept is mathematics. What is the difference between symmetric and skew symmetric matrix? And understanding of these two definitions, if it is a symmetric matrix, then they will ask any one of the element in second row, third column, like that, Aij, Bij, like that. If it given matrix is a skew symmetric, then what is the result of the concerning element? So symmetric and skew symmetric. Now topic. Before that, we want to must and should be learn the concept of the transpose of a matrix. So before that, we want to learn the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. So here remember, transpose of the X. Transpose singular word is a X. Matrix, matrices plural word. So here transpose means, remember this transpose, this is applicable square matrix only. This transpose is possible only square matrices, means number of rows, first rows by, this is read as by, this is read as by, number of columns, columns, columns. So rows and columns are equal. If R is equal to C, then only transpose possible. Transpose possible. Okay? If R is equal to 3, then C is equal to 3, then we write the transpose of matrix, so not possible. So that's why. So if M is equal to N, then only transpose will exist. So whatever A matrix containing 2 by 2 matrix, A matrix is 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, like this, 4 by 4. Now in this case, if it is containing number of rows and columns are equal, then only the transpose will be possible. So here transpose means, what is means? Transpose means, this is also 1 mark question, 2 marks question they will you prepare from. Meaning by interchanging of rows by columns, then the newly formed matrix is transpose of A. If A is equal to 2 0 1 3, so our order is 2 by 2. Its transpose, then its transpose change this row, treat like as a column. 2 0 is a row, right in column 2 0. So 1 3. So this is a transpose. According to this type of questions, 3 by 3 also. Okay, if B is equal to matrix 1 0 2, 2 1 0, 1 2 9. Okay, then they will ask B plus B transpose. This is the symbol of B transpose. Otherwise write like this also, B plus B transpose. Both are same. Calculate this one. So this is addition of these two. Here given one matrix. So we have the knowledge upon this transpose. Transpose means interchanging. According to the data solution, it is 2 mark. Directly write. Given that B is equal to, write that matrix. B matrix is 1 0 2, 2 1 0, 1 2 9. So this is plus. So row write like this column, 1 0 2, 2 1 0, 1 2 9. Add these corresponding elements, we will get the result. Okay, add these corresponding elements. 1 add with 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 0 2. Don't multiply here, addition. Okay, 3, 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 1 2, 0 plus 2 2. So 2 2. Okay, 9 9. You remember, A transpose and B transpose same, 9 will never changed. So which element will be never changed? Think here. So if they will ask this, if A B is equal to B transpose, then what is the element of this position? If they given X, so X is that only it will come. Okay, you remember. So this is an easy question, and this is only recognition purpose they will give. So according to this transpose concept, we will throughout the next using of this transport only, the definitions will be formed the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, next class we will continue this one. First you learn the transpose due to depending on upon skew symmetric and symmetric matrix or definitions are belonging this one. If A is equal to A transport, I will only give the definitions on the problem next. If A is equal to A transpose, then A is said to be symmetric. That much only. Symmetric. Okay, here if A is equal to minus A to the transpose, then here minus the variation, then A is said to be skew symmetric. Okay, A is said to be skew symmetric. By using of this question, they will ask if A is equal to asymmetric matrix. Okay, here A is equal to 1 half minus 1, 0 half minus 2, 0 1 2. Here A transpose. Now calculate this, that implies A transpose. You change this row column, 1 half minus 1. Okay, 0 half minus 2. Next 0 1 2. These two are equal. You observe, not equal. So this is not symmetric. Okay, when it will come, I will give one example. A is equal to 1 2 3. 2 4 1. Okay, 5 0 1 3 4 8. Here what will come given means we will get it. This is given A. If A is equal 1 2 3 2 4 1 5 1 8, then A transpose. Change this row 1 2 3. Right here also 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 we got. Next to 2 4 1. Next to 5 1 8. Now add these two. This is symmetric matrix. Okay. Now in this case they will ask, they will eliminate any one of the element here. This is always same. If here given 8 means here also will come 8. Okay. Here given this is x. For example, here I am taking example. Example problem how they will give the symmetric only, not the skew symmetric. Only symmetric I am going to discussing. A is equal to x 2 3 1 is symmetric by what value of x. So symmetry means both are equal. So then calculate A transpose. So here possible, let us see x2. So here x2 like this come. Here 3 1 3 1 3 1 it will come. If these two are equal, what will come here? Possible. These two are equal. How it is possible? Not possible. So this type of problem is also formed. You should be attempt this wrong type also. These two are equal. A is equal to A transpose. What is A? This is A transpose is equal to A. A transpose we calculate. Here A right x 2 3 1. So comparing the corresponding elements, x is equal to x only. How it is possible? So they will give the mark. Okay. Like this. If otherwise in the same question they will give other thing, we will get the result. So here x is equal to x only given. So this if in this case according to is a symmetric and they will give and A plus A transpose is equal to 9. Then we will get the result. 9 and corresponding and A11 is equal. A11 Aij. I is equal to J if they will give. That time we get the result here. So the addition of these two, A plus A transpose is equal to these two only we want to addition. What they given? X plus x is equal to 9 given. So 9 means both are equal given. What possible? 4.5 it come. Okay, 4 and half. Okay. This is mainly thing. So 8. If it is taken 8, both are equal means it will come 4 and 4 answer. X is equal to 4 will come. Like this one type of problems. Okay, that's you don't bother of that the printing mistakes if any formation of the questions. Okay.